Welcome back to Automatrix, where we dive into the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're taking a close look at the 2025 BMW 7 Series M760i. This luxury sedan combines opulence with exhilarating performance, making it a standout in its class. Let's break down what makes this car so special. First up, the engine. Under the hood of the M760i, we find a monstrous 6.6-liter, 12 twin-turbocharged engine. This powerhouse generates a staggering 600 horsepower and 627 lb-ft torque. The M760i can sprint from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.6 seconds, which is lightning fast for a car of this size. BMW has really managed to blend luxury and performance seamlessly here. The engine's power delivery is smooth and linear, giving you that thrilling acceleration while maintaining a sense of refined control. The M760 is equipped with an 8-speed automatic transmission that ensures buttery-smooth gear changes. It also features BMW S-Drive all-wheel drive system, providing excellent traction and stability regardless of road conditions. This is a car that feels just as at home on a winding mountain road as it does cruising on the highway. Now, let's talk about design. The exterior of the 2025 Mi760 is a perfect blend of sophistication and aggression. Up front, you'll notice the bold kidney grille flanked by sleek, adaptive LED headlights. The lines of the car are both elegant and aerodynamic, with subtle yet powerful curves that convey a sense of motion even when the car is standing still. The rear of the car features distinctive L-shaped taillights and quad exhaust tips, hinting at the car's performance capabilities. Stepping inside, the Mi760 does not disappoint. The interior is a sanctuary of luxury. High-quality materials are used throughout, including fine leather wood trim and brushed aluminum accents. The seats are not only comfortable but also highly supportive, perfect for both long drives and spirited driving sessions. The rear seats offer ample space and even come with optional executive lounge seating, providing a first-class experience for passengers. The Mi760 is packed with cutting-edge technology. The centerpiece of the dashboard is BMW's latest iDrive 8.0 infotainment system, displayed on a large crystal-clear touchscreen. This system is incredibly intuitive, offering everything from navigation to entertainment at your fingertips. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, allowing you to prioritize the information that matters most to you. Additionally, there's a rear seat entertainment system, ensuring that passengers can stay entertained on long journeys. Safety is, of course, paramount in a car like this, and BMW has equipped the M760 with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera assistant, making it easier than ever to maneuver this large sedan in tight spaces. One of the unique selling points of the Mi760i is its combination of performance and luxury. It's rare to find a car that can deliver such a thrilling driving experience while also providing unparalleled comfort and refinement. This dual nature makes the Mi760i a versatile choice for anyone looking for a high-end sedan that doesn't compromise on excitement. To sum it up, the 2025 BMW 7 Series Mi760i is a masterpiece of automotive engineering. It offers blistering performance, stunning design, and a luxurious interior that's packed with the latest technology. Whether you're behind the wheel or relaxing in the back seat, this car delivers an exceptional experience. Thanks for watching Automatrix. You enjoyed this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth looks at the latest cars. See you next time.